Hi everyone, this is Erik from EME Education. Today we're going to talk about writing practice level 2, lesson time in the classroom. Part 1, vocabulary. Door, desk, pupil, chair, floor tiles, lockers, globe, notice board, blackboard, bookshelf. If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet. You can find the link in the description box to practice your writing in English. Now we go part 2. Part 2, choose the right words. Before we continue to check the answers, please pause the video now and start doing now. Now you have done. Check your answer, please. Blackboard, teacher, bookshelf, notice board, globe, lockers, floor tiles, chair, pupil, desk, door. Now we have done the vocabulary and the words part. We go part 3 now. Completing sentences. Before you start writing your answer, please pause the video and do your answer now. Now you have done. Please check your answer. Number 1, we can see how many? 3 pupils. What are they doing? Lesson. They are having lesson. Where are they? In the classroom. So we're going to say the pupils, or you can say 3 pupils are having lesson in the classroom. Number 2, we see the word neat and spacious, which is not very messy, neat. And spacious means very big. The classroom is very big. So we're going to say the classroom is neat and spacious. The classroom is very neat, not messy, and very big, spacious. Number 3, what do you see? Pupils attentively. Attentively means they listen without doing anything else. Attentively. So the answer will be the pupils are listening attentively. Who are they listening to? Listening attentively to the teacher. Number 4, you can see the teacher. One teacher is standing in front of the classroom, or you can say standing in front of the pupils. Number 5, we see 4 towels. And what color are they? They are brown in color. And we're going to say the 4 towels are brown in color. Number 6, notice board. Where is the notice board? How many notice board do you see? I see 1. 1 notice board. The notice board is on the right of the classroom. If you like this video, please don't like and share with your friends to let them know more about this free lesson. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more free English lessons every week. See you soon. Bye.